If you're out there looking for side hustle ideas or ways to make money online or how to make money online, then you need to take the next 8 minutes and watch this video, because I've got a way that you can make up to $999 on repeat, free PayPal cash, passive income directly to you. This is a great way for beginners to start making a lot of money online because it's totally free, it's available worldwide, and it's very easy. In fact, there's really no work involved here. As always, we're getting other websites to do the work for us that's going to get another website to pay us. Does that make sense? Trust me, it's really easy, but you need to spend the next 8 minutes watching this video. Don't skip ahead. Watch until the very end. Trust me, you're not going to be disappointed. Welcome to Online Moneymaker right here in Santa Monica, California, the best city in the world. Check the views out. Look what we got going on here. Listen, make money online in 2021. It's not that difficult. You just have to be creative sometimes. You want to get that passive income in the form of free PayPal money. You gotta watch this video, man. Okay, listen, we're right here on the beach. We're doing this. We don't got a job. It's Tuesday afternoon. I'm sitting here talking to you guys. I'm gonna give you my next secret, okay? Welcome to Online Moneymaker. That's right. How does $30 per word sound? How does autopilot free PayPal money sound, huh? Well, I found the website that's going to pay you that, and of course I found 3 other sites that are going to do all that work for you. See, that's what making money online is all about. It's supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be work. That's why we find websites that are going to pay us, and we find other websites to do all that work for us. We're supposed to be sitting here just clicking the mouse to make this money. But before we even start, I got a deal for you. If you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to let you come live here with me. You guys can crash with me. Got 3 extra bedrooms. That's right. First 3 to subscribe can come live with me on the beach. I'll even cook for you if you give the video a like. And this is available worldwide, as you can see. All you're gonna do is have fun, make money, and show your creative genius. You just gotta come to this site and sign up for an account. And it's free, and you're gonna get paid directly into your PayPal account. And if you're not creative and you don't know how to write and you just don't want to bust your ass, period, again, don't worry about any of that, because we got 3 websites that are going to do all this for you, and you can still make anywhere from $50 to $999 having these other websites do the work for you. It's that simple. Look, this website, it's where companies go when they need to buy a slogan, when they need somebody that's more creative than them to come up with it, and that website in turn pays you to come up with those. So look at some of these examples. These are for restaurants like We Bake It, You Take It, Wood Fired, Taste Inspired, Eat, Drink, and Be Monkey, Taste What's Happening. I mean, listen, those are ridiculous. I could come up with those without even using the bots that we're going to use. But like I said, there's 3 different bots that we're going to use. They're going to pump these out for us all day long, and basically that's a money minting. That's a money press. It's basically your own personal cash machine that deposits directly into your PayPal account. But the first thing you got to do, just go to the website, go to sloganslingers.com. And when you get to sloganslingers.com, come over here and hit Write Slogans. And that will take you to the sign-up page here, and fill out all the pertinent information. Make sure you use a real email address, because they will ask you to verify that inside your email. And essentially from there, agree to their terms and conditions, create an account, and you're in. And what they're going to do from there is they're going to start emailing you basically contests. They're going to have like a restaurant wants a slogan, and maybe 100 people will enter, you know. But like I said, I'm going to show you 3 different places where you're just going to type in like the keyword or whatever, and it's going to spit slogans out at you all day, so you can enter these contests multiple times, and they pay up to $999, and the lowest they pay is $50. And also at the end of the video, I'll show you 2 other sites that you can sell slogans on and make 3 times the money, so stick around till the very end of the video. But for now, go to sloganslingers.com, go to Write Slogans, sign up for the account, and you're good to go there. Now, I want to show you the 3 sites that are going to make these slogans for you. The first one is called Oberlo Slogan Generator. So Oberlo Slogan Generator, and it's at just go to oberlo.com and type in slogan generator, and all you're going to do is type in a keyword here, or whatever the company is, hit generate slogans. It'll generate them for you. And also you can just refresh them. If you don't like the first one that pops up, you can just hit refresh and it'll pop out another one for you till you find one that you like. So that's Oberlo Slogan Generator. The next one is called slogangenerator.co. Okay, this one you can just enter again a keyword, a brand, generate, and it will spit out a slogan for you. It'll do that all day long. Okay, these are very simple to use. None of these require any money from you. It's free to sign up. In fact, these I don't even think you have to sign up. You just put in a slogan and it spits it out for you. Download it to your computer. The third one is called slogangenerator.org. Okay. Like I said, all these are very similar. Right here in this line, you're going to type in any keyword, any combination of keywords, hit generate slogan, and it's all there for you. Also, this one you can make logos on, okay? And I'm going to get to that at the end of the video too. So just keep this one in mind, slogangenerator.org. It's also going to make you free logos. So here's another website where you can sell slogans and logos. So we know how to generate those with a click of a button. So you can see this person right here, they're offering to do your slogans for $25 US per hour. Okay, so basically, if you write one slogan, they're going to give you 25 bucks. As you know, that's going to take you about 1 second. This guy right here is offering logo design at $15 an hour. Okay, so this is a website where you can sell both slogans and logos, and you don't have to do any work until somebody hires you. So to get involved with that, just go to freelancer.com, the freelancing website, and come down here and type in, hit earn money freelancing right there. And it's going to take you to the simple sign up, join Freelancer, and you can choose, you can post whatever price you want to charge. Just because that one girl's charging $25 for a slogan doesn't mean you can't charge $50, and you probably should, because your logos are going to be more professional, I guarantee it. On this last website, we've got people selling slogans for as much as $65, $20, $50, $10, $15. So this site's a little more saturated, but you can see slogans are going for as much as $65. And people are selling logos for as much as 120 bucks. I saw this one right here. This one's $980, but it's a logo with animation. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. Look at this one. Ooh, create a logo and brand identity. It's 1,500 bucks. That's a complete service, though. I guess you could try to offer that. But yeah, look, basically, logos are going for 120, 50 bucks. This is Fiverr.com, another freelancing website. Just go to Fiverr.com and come over here and hit become a seller. And you can sign up very simply and offer your services, name your own price. So you're gonna go make catchy slogans, you're gonna make beautiful logos, and you're gonna get paid. Hey, thanks for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Online Moneymaker.